According to the U.S. Supreme Court, reproductive freedom should be left to the states, but the freedom to carry a concealed weapon should not be. This might at first cut seem like an inconsistency, but it isn't. It is a consistently right-wing view. And this underscores one of the problems with our political system. The people who wrote the Constitution, the founders, if you will, did not anticipate ideology and partisanship being such important interests for the American people. They thought of interest in terms of different states, small states versus big states, slave states in particular. They were very aware of the interests of slave owners and slave states, and they thought there'd be a variety of people with a variety of interests. However, in almost all democracies, that's not what happens. What happens is two or three, maybe more, hard ideologies emerge, partisanship forms around those ideologies. And what democracy should do is it should allow for the views that have majority support to win out. But our Constitution doesn't allow that. Not because the founders necessarily were bad people or stupid people or anything like that, but because they were living in the 18th century and they couldn't anticipate what would happen, not just in the United States, but in all democracies. So if you're upset over the Roe v. Wade being overturned and reproductive freedoms being taken away in many, many American states, yes, you can blame it on the right-wingers on the Supreme Court. And yes, you can even blame it on many Democrats who contributed to making this happen. You can maybe blame it on people who voted without thinking about abortion rights. But you also have to blame it on the Constitution and the founders.